If you need to request a refund for payment made through your Apple ID, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Apple Support website. Visit the Apple Support website on your browser. This is where you will find the necessary tools and information to initiate your refund request. Step 2. Sign into your Apple ID. Click on the option to sign in. Enter your Apple ID and password to access your account details. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and the transactions associated with your account. Step 3. Navigate to purchase history. Once signed in, locate the section for your purchase history. This will show you all transactions made using your Apple ID, allowing you to identify the specific payment you wish to dispute. Step 4. Select the transaction. Find the transaction that you want to get a refund for. Click on it to view more details and look for an option that says report a problem or request a refund. Step 5. Submit your refund request. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. Be sure to provide any necessary details and reasons for the refund. After submission, you will receive a confirmation and Apple will review your request. In conclusion, requesting a refund on your Apple ID is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure to check your email for updates on your request.